Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can convert chats, conversations, and threads in the Comet AI web browser into tasks like single or one-time tasks or recurring tasks. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so let me navigate to one of my chats or conversations. For example, here, let me go with that one here, latest news. So guys, let's assume you would like to convert a chat like this, a briefing of the latest news, into recurring tasks, so that the artificial intelligence here on Comet AI provides you with these latest news on a specific schedule, like, I don't know, daily, weekly, and so on and so forth. So you will need to navigate to the given chat or conversation or thread. And here in the top right corner, guys, you will see these three dots. Click into them and select create a task. And now, guys, you may convert the given thread into a task, a scheduled task. You may provide instructions. As you can see, I am using a shortcut for this specific chat, but you can of course be more specific and give or provide clear instructions on how you would like the artificial intelligence, Comet AI and Perplexity to conduct the given task. Like, I don't know, provide me with I don't know, a daily briefing of the latest news from the United States or something like that, or local news, and so on and so forth. And below, select your scheduling, like as previously mentioned, single or one-time task, daily, weekly, every weekday, monthly, yearly. And after that, guys, you may set an expiration date as well. Click into that calendar and also select a notification platform, like in-app if you're using Comet AI here in the web browser, or as a mobile version via email, for instance. Simply click into them and select your notification option. You may also expand these model options and select, for instance, a specific language model you would like Comet AI or Perplexity to use for the given task. And as you can see, I'm using GPT-5, but you can use also Sonar, which is Perplexity's very own model, or Claude, or Gemini, Grok. As you can see, they support quite a lot of these. And last but not least, guys, here to the right, you may select a specific type of sources, like academic institutions, research papers, magazines, or simply websites. And once you're ready, guys, simply click into Save here. You may also use the deep research feature here, or that one here. And that's basically it. Click into Save and convert the given one-time task or chat you have had with the artificial intelligence into a recurring task, so that it may be conducted, let's say, every day. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.